FM.
Broken people get recycled, and I hope that I will sometimes be thrown off our pathways. What I thought was my way home, it wasn't the place. No, I'm not afraid of changing. I'm certain nothing's certain. What we own becomes our prison. My possessions will be gone, back to where they came from. Blame, no one is to blame. As natural as the rain that falls, it comes to flow again. See the rock that you hold on to. Is it gonna save you when the earth begins to crumble? Why do you feel you have to hold on? Imagine if you let go. Blame, no one is to blame. As natural as the rain that falls, it comes to flow again. Wash away the weight that pulls you down. Ride the waves that free you from your doubts. Don't trust your eyes, it's easy to believe them. Know in your heart that you can free your prison. Don't trust your mind, it's not always listening.